So my wife called me while she was at work. She plows, and she accidentally clipped this guy. He flew down out of the tree. She brought him in, and he was in very rough shape. Now he is snapped back into it. We really didn't think he was going to make it. Then he started flying around the house, so we are going to let him go and see if he'll fly away. Dakota, over here. Turn the back of the light on.
It is on. Don't throw him.
Can you fly, buddy?
Did he fall?
Yeah, but he might be okay.
I feel like we should let him warm up for a minute.